Xiaomi-backed Black Shark Gaming Company has unveiled the Black Shark Gaming Phone as its first gaming smartphone today through an unveil event in Beijing, China. It is packed with impressive specs like 18:9 display, 8GB of RAM, Snapdragon 845, dual cameras, and mammoth battery. However, the major highlight of the phone is that users can attach a Bluetooth gaming controller to it to take advantage of true gaming experience on it. The Black Shark Gaming Phone measures 9.25 mm thick, and it weighs 190 grams. From the front, the handset looks like a regular smartphone, but the high-end innards, its sports car-like rear design, and its ability to support a Shark gamepad controller, that turns it into a gaming beast. The left side of the phone has a dedicated Shark key that allow users to access impressive gaming zone, whereas the volume buttons and power key are on the right edge. The backside of the phone features the dual camera setup and the easily noticeable green-colored S logo at the center. The Black Shark phone features a 5.99-inch in-cell display that supports Full HD resolution. Also, it delivers an aspect ratio of 18:9 and carries support for DCI-P3 color gamut. The MEMC intelligent motion compensation technology ensures smoother video quality while playing games on it. The bezel present below the display of the phone is equipped with a fingerprint sensor-enabled home button. The Snapdragon 845 chipset is present under the hood of the Black Shark Gaming Phone. At the launch event, Black Shark CEO revealed that the device had scored 279,464 on Antutu. To control the internal temperature, the handset features a multi-layer cooling system that includes high thermal conductivity copper alloy substrate, nano-composite graphite, heat pipe, and liquid cooling that can bring down the temperature of the device by 8 degrees, by improving the CPU cooling efficiency by 20 times. The base model of the Black Shark Gaming Phone includes 6GB of RAM and 64GB of UFS 2.1 storage, whereas the highest configuration variant has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. It houses a 4000 mAh battery that is equipped with 18-watt fast charging support through Quick Charge 3.0. The huge battery promises up to 5 hours of continuous playing of King of Glory game. The Black Shark phone metamorphoses into a true gaming device by connecting its Bluetooth-enabled gaming Shark gamepad to the top portion of the phone. It is packed with a joystick, a trigger, and a 340 mAh battery that offers 30 hours of power. The gamepad can be used with other Android devices too that support Bluetooth 4.0 and Android 4.4 or above. As for the price, the 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage editions of the Black Shark Gaming Phone are respectively priced at 2,999 yuan, $477, and 3,499 yuan, $557. The Shark gamepad can be availed with a price tag of 179 yuan, $29. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.